Hello children, we'll write down the electronic configuration of 5D block elements. The last two videos we have been seeing about the electronic configuration of the 3D and 3D 4D. Now we are going with the 5D. Is it clear? Now we will write down the series of the 5D block element, the 5D series of the members. Okay, what are the members of this 5D series? First we will finish up that. Then we go with the filling up of the electronic configuration or else the outermost shell electrons. Before to that we have to write down the general formula. N is 0 to 1, 0 to 2. Okay, 0 to 2, not 1. 0 to 2, n minus 1, d 1 to 10. This is a general formula. Please note down that also properly. Okay, let us go to the formula writing and names of the elements writing. The elements are going to be lanthanum, okay, hafnium, HF, tantalum, Ta, wolfram or this is tungsten, okay. Normally we say it as tungsten. Next, rhenium, Re, okay, osmium. Next, OS, osmium is OS, okay. The next one is iridium, IR, iridium, platinum, PT. Then Au is your gold. The last one for this series is mercury, Hg. Okay. Now, in the same way, we are going to start with the next noble gas configuration is going with the, what is that? After krypton, xenon. Yes, xenon. So you can write it down with the xenon over here in all the elements. Okay, write down for all the elements with xenon configuration. First goes with, then we will have the outermost shell. But remember, this is the lanthanum after it comes. So, the elements of 4F also includes. So, 4F elements also includes. After lanthanum, 14 elements are going for, what is that? For 4F block elements. So, there are 4F block elements also present over here. So, remember that you can write it down n minus 2, 1 to 14 or n minus 2. I write down for that also, n minus 2. Why I am writing that? You need to include that also, n minus 2. Okay, F 14. That 14 elements you need to include. Okay, after lanthanum, hafnium onwards, you have to include. So, this has to be for the next lanthanum after hafnium, tantalum, wolfram, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, Rm, that is Rm is gold and mercury, right now. For that you should include that 14 also, remember that. So while writing xenon goes with the, after writing 36 for krypton, you add another 18 because 18 only for 2, next to 4 and 5, then only 6 and 7, 32. So 4 and 5 goes with the 18 only. So we have to add another 18 only from for 36 after. 36 plus 18, it is 54. So for xenon, the number of electron is 54. Okay. So make a note of it, 54. Not only 54, you have to add that 14 electrons. Okay. That for from hafnium onwards. For lanthanum we don't have. Okay. But for hafnium onwards, you need to add 14 more electrons from F subshell of F. I write of F, okay, like this. So it would be easy for you to remember, okay, 14 of F. Now I write down that 1, 2, 3, 4 elements so that you can fill it up the number of electrons for subshell. That is D subshell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 10 elements will come because there are 10 subshells, 10 electrons only can be filled in D subshell. That's the reason we are writing only 10. Okay. Again, as you have been doing, here also write 5 and 10. You can fill it up with the same number, half filled and fully filled. And for 5D, the number to be omitted is only one, that is 8. So omit only 8. Now we start writing the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is already there, 6, 7, no 8, so write 9 and 10. That's all. So shall we enter that number over here? So go with the Xenon. This is going for 5D series. So 5D, I write 5D first. Okay, 5D for all the elements. As I told you, since that once 5D, that number, it should be written only in order. Once that 5D starts filling, so long we have been writing for 4s or whatever it is, 6s we write till that the previous element, lanthanum before what would be barium. But after that it starts filling that 5D, so we have to enter that 5D series only. Fifth shell series only we have to complete. Then only we have to go with. So now we have to write down how many, and out of the number of electrons going to be there in D shell. I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no change for up to 5. Even 6, 7 we don't have change. Only after that no 8, so write 9, then 10, 10, right? Now I write for, what is the next number? We are going with the next shell, that is 4s subshell. 6s. 6s subshell, because we have come to 5D series. 6s subshell. Okay. Now the number of electrons, as we have done earlier, just add it up. 54 plus we have to write. Before to that, let me write down the atomic number for lanthanum onwards. Lanthanum is going to be 57. 57. Then from hafnium it gets changed because that 14 elements have to be added, and then 6 elements of P block and 2 elements of S block also to be added. So 14 plus 6, 20 plus 2, 22 elements you have to add up. So after that means it comes with 72 only. 57, 72. Then you write as a consecutive number. 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. Hope you know that number of electron is nothing but the atomic number, right? So there is no change in that. 80. Okay. So now I write down the number of 4s electrons, 6s electrons. Okay. I keep telling only 4s, 6s. So 54 plus 1, 55. 57 minus of 55, 2. So it is 2. Then 72. Here it becomes now here after 54 plus 14. So add 68 number electron. 68. Why 68? Xenon with 14. Okay, that 4 of filled in, right? 4 of, this is 4 of, n minus of 2 means this is actually ns is 6 means this is 5, this is 4. Okay, minus 2, n minus 2. F filling goes with the n minus 2 only. Okay, so 4 of 14 electrons get filled in. So you have to add it up that so that it becomes 68. Now xenon is not 68. You are adding up with xenon 14 more electrons from F shell. Okay, so that's the reason 68. So add it up because to make it easy, I am just writing 68. 54 plus 14, it is 68, right? 68 plus 2, 70. 72 minus 70 is 2. Then 73 minus 71, 2 again. 74 minus 68 plus 4, 72, again 2. 68 plus 5, it is 73. 75 minus again 2. Okay, so for all that, going with the same number now, that is the reason you are getting the 2 electrons. Remember in that way the reason. Okay, 2 electrons. Then here also we'll get the same, right? 68 plus 6 it is 74, again 2. 74 minus 76 minus 74. 77 minus 75, 68 plus 7. Now it would change. 68 plus 9, it is 77. 78 minus 77, 1 only. The same with 68 plus 10, 78. 79, 1 electron. 68 plus 10, it is 78. 80 means it is 2. Okay, we have filled in all the number of electrons for 5D series also. Like that you can go for 6D. But hope you learn. Hope if you learn these 3D series, it would be enough for you, because they are all what is that radioactive elements. You can write for them also. You just make a column and write it down as you have learned for these 3 series of elements or D block elements. You could write for them on your own. Okay. Thank you, children. Hope you have understood. We have completed our 5D block elements also. In the next video, we'll go with the actinoids. These are all lanthanoids. We will go for actinoids, that is F block elements. This is how to write. We will write. Thank you.